Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about this piece of work by Leonardo da Vinci titled The Virgin of the Rocks. I chose this work because I'm somewhat familiar with it. It was something that we had discussed briefly in an art class that I've taken, and for some reason it just kind of stuck with me, so that's why I chose it. This piece of art was commissioned by the Confraternity of the Immaculate Conception as part of an altarpiece for its chapel in the Church of San Francesco Grande in Milan. I'm not sure that I said all of those words correctly, so please forgive me if I didn't. This artwork has an alternative title, Madonna of the Rocks. This artwork is an oil painting. It took Da Vinci 3 years to complete this painting, from 1483 to 1486. Something that is unique about this artwork is that there are actually 2 versions of this painting, but the one that was painted first is the one that is placed in the Louvre in Paris. In this piece of work, Da Vinci paints Mary, where she is seated on the ground, rather than in other paintings by different artists. Mary would be depicted as the Queen of Heaven, typically so she would be standing and not sitting on the ground in those. Mary is pictured with her arm around St. John the Baptist, leading him towards her child. And St. John the Baptist is making a gesture of prayer to the Christ child. Mary's hand is seen to be hovering over her child. There is also the figure that is the angel Gabriel, pointing towards St. John the Baptist. And the landscape in this picture that is behind them is very detailed. There are lots of plants and greenery surrounding the characters depicted in this. And the rock formations behind them are similar to that of the Dolomite Mountains of northeastern Italy. So these are just a few of the things that make this painting significant.